What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a verification pop-up on WordPress. So here I'm on my WordPress dashboard, and to do so you actually need a plugin. So go here from the menu on the left, scroll to plugins, then click add new plugin, and then search for pop-up maker or search for pop-up, hit enter, and you can choose whichever one you want. So for this video, for example, I will choose the pop-up builder. Okay, it's installed and now activated. Okay, and once it's activated, just wait for it, or you can refresh the page or go to the dashboard so that the app menu will appear here on the menu on the left. And here it is, the pop-up builder, and let's click on it. And here we want to create a new pop-up, so add new, or you can export or import existing pop-ups. So click on add new here. Now you want to choose the type of pop-up that you want to use. However, in the free version you are limited to the types of pop-ups that you want to add. So here probably the closest thing to a verification is to go to subscription, or you can add an HTML pop-up to configure it the way you like. Now you can subscribe to a paid plan or get more ideas to get more paid like pop-ups, custom made pop-ups. However, I'll show you how to create one as a subscription pop-up here. And now here it opens up in the editor where you can edit the like all the parameters and the settings for your pop-up. So here you can add the view here, the preview, and you can email the email placeholder email as you are subscribing, and you get a live preview right here. So you can here make it to add like personal information, and then the subscribe you can rename it to confirm, in order to confirm the information of your customers. And once you are happy with all the settings that you made, just save it and you are good to go.